This video is just one part of Defense Attorney Jim Yeargin's comprehensive video series. Be sure to view other videos for more information. Driving on a suspended, canceled, or revoked registration is a misdemeanor in Georgia and should not be confused with operating a vehicle with an expired tag or an unregistered vehicle. Operating a vehicle with an expired tag and operating an unregistered vehicle are minor offenses which only require a small fine and do not go on your driving history. However, driving on a suspended registration carries a minimum fine of $500, up to 12 months in jail, and goes on your driving history. Additionally, a conviction for driving on a suspended registration will suspend your driver's license or privilege to drive in the state. Despite these harsh penalties, driving on a suspended registration is one of the hardest things for the prosecution to prove. For the prosecution to secure a conviction, they must show that someone drove a motor vehicle knowing that the vehicle's registration was suspended. In the vast majority of these cases, the driver was not aware that their vehicle's registration was suspended. Most people don't know that a vehicle's registration has a history the same way a driver has a driving history. The vehicle's registration history will indicate whether or not the state of Georgia properly notified the driver that their registration was suspended. If the state has not notified the driver of the suspension, then the prosecution cannot prove the person was knowingly driving a vehicle with a suspended registration. The notice requirement is the best defense to this charge, but it is not the only one. Many driving on a suspended registration cases can be dismissed or reduced to a less serious offense, so the driver does not have to endure the high fines, license suspension, and other harsh penalties associated with this charge. To find out which defenses may be available to you and how to fight this charge, contact us today.